Still staying with the Ghana Statistical Service, data from the institution shows that year-on-year producer price inflation for March 2022 rose to 29.3%. This rate represents a 7.9 percentage points increase in the average price of goods and services received by domestic producers in the country for their production activities relative to the 21.4% recorded in February. On a monthly basis, the change in the producer price index between February and March was 6.8%. In this report, we tell you more about the drivers of the recent rate.
In March 2021, the producer price inflation rate for all industry was 13.0%. The rate decreased to a record of 10.9% in April 2020, but increased to 11.8% in May 2021. The rate then decreased continuously to a record of 8.1% in August 2021. Subsequently, the rate resumed an upward trend to increase continuously to a record of 29.3% in March 2022. This trend is mainly influenced by the manufacturing sector, which constantly records the highest inflation. The government statistician, Professor Samuel Kwabena Enim, gives a breakdown of what influenced the recent rate.
Producer price inflation for the month of March 2022 was 29.3%, indicating that there was a rate of 7.9 percentage points higher than the rate recorded for the month of February 2022, which stood at 21.4%. On a month-on-month basis, that is between February 2022 and March 2022, monthly producer price inflation stood at 6.8%. From the subsector perspective, specifically manufacturing, mining and quarrying, and the utility subsectors, producer price inflation for the month of March 2022 stood at manufacturing 36%, mining and quarrying 33.6%, and distantly followed by utility subsector 1.1%. On a month-on-month basis, again from a subsector perspective, for the month of March 2022, mining and quarrying recorded 15.7%, which is more than twice the national average of 6.8%, with manufacturing 6.4% and utility on a month-on-month basis 0.6%.